There are animals in California that need our help. At the Kost Zoo, in Bakersfield, California, you can see these animals in all of their natural beauty and grace. Introducing ZooMedia Spring Water, directly from Mount Shasta. Pure clean water in sustainable cartons that won't harm animals. All proceeds are used to make the Kost Zoo a safe and wonderful place for California animals. Lend your support today at www.zoomedia.org/KostZoo.